Good morning, everybody. I'm here to share with you guys new Saving Star offers. Now, a lot of you guys last week were saying that you never got the all deals, and you guys mostly told me in the middle of the week. You need to check this stuff like on Sunday mornings or Monday mornings right away, because these are like coupons. They only limit them so much, and then once they're gone, they're gone. You can still have it in your account, just you can't add it to your account anymore. So I definitely recommend doing that. But here they got some great deals. They got the $1 off of Advil, $1 off of Thermacare, Nexium, Advil Allergy, $3 off of one. Those are great coupons. Preparation H I probably will not get, but I'm still going to add it. Slowmeg tablets. Sorry, it's like I have it on my selfie stick, so it's easier for you guys to hear me. But here they got some other coupons. I am trying to avoid adding some of these to my account because Checkout 51 has these deals too sometimes, and if you do one, you can't do it on the other. So I'm waiting to empty out my Checkout 51 account before I redo it. So some of these deals are on Checkout 51, and I don't want to do it because I could get more money with Checkout 51 when it resets than doing it this way. So these are the deals that I have on Saving Star. Definitely check your guys out. You guys might have different deals, but I'm really avoiding adding things to my account because I have a better feeling it gets more approved and it's just easier on Checkout 51. So you guys know what to do. Click the subscribe button if you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys all later. Just wanted to share with you guys more deals. Goodbye.